In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock your Gemini AI here in Google Sheets. So in previous videos, you've already seen me use Gemini here in Google Sheets. Now that was with a free subscription that I was able to access here in Google Sheets. If you want to get free access to Google Sheets, I have a separate video about that I will be leaving a card to at the top right corner for you to check out. Now let's say you want the full benefits of having a premium account. Here's how you can unlock Gemini here in Google Sheets. So what you're going to do is to go to the Gemini icon right here next to our account name. We'll say try Gemini. So I don't have Gemini right now. And if I click on it, here we have it. So it will give you a rundown of all the things that you will have access to if you do try Gemini out. So if we try it out, let's click on this one right here. And it will lead us to this page. So in this Google One page, it will show you the different types or levels of membership that you can subscribe to here in Google. And right below, you will see the different type of access that you will get once you've subscribed to any of these memberships. So these are monthly membership fees. So the higher the membership fee is, the better the access you have to Gemini. And once you've chosen the type of membership that you want to get, just click on these blue buttons right below those prices. Let's say this one right here, we have our Google One terms of service. So here we are going to review the terms of service. If you agree, just click on agree right here. Then we will proceed to the payment options. So here, you will be shown the type of charges that you will have starting today. This will be the one that you'll be charged with. Then on the next month or the next coming month, you will be charged this amount right here. So subscribing on Play, you can cancel anytime in subscriptions. You will be sent a reminder 7 days before your intro price ends. So they do have introductory prices, which stays the same for, I think, at least 2 months. Then after that, the price increases. And if you do try to cancel your subscription, a temporary authorization hold may be placed on your payment method up to 2 days before your renewal date. So let's say you do cancel your subscription, but you also want to remove your payment method. You won't be able to unless it's at least 2 days before your subscription ends. Then just below that, you can choose your payment method. Depending on what type of payment method you want to use, you can add a card that can be credit or debit, PayPal, Venmo, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or any other online payment method that you want to use. Also, you can pay with your computer or with your phone. That's totally up to you. So once you've chosen your payment method and you've agreed to all the terms, you can just click on subscribe right here. There you have it. So once you're already subscribed to Google One for Gemini, you will have a different type of interface. You will have different tabs like this part right here where it says summarize this data, or your Gemini option on the menu bar. Also, if you go to the Gemini icon at the top right corner, that will actually show you Ask Gemini instead of Try Gemini. And there you have it. So in any case that you don't see any changes on your browser, what you can do is to refresh your page, or you can also close that browser, open it again, and try and open Google Sheets. And there you have it. Now, if you're interested in learning how to use Gemini, I have a full playlist that I'll be leaving a card to at the top right corner for you to click and watch. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.